Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with my subscription, the pens, pencils, and more subscription for June from Avant Agenda. And she always sends it in this nice little envelope and then comes with a plastic envelope inside. First we got this washi tape set. In light gray, has 3 shades of light gray, and then one of the check. So there are the washi tapes. Let me see if I can pick them out. Maybe. So you get 3 light gray ones, different colors of the gray, and then one in the checked. So you get those. See if I can get those to stay there. And then we will open our envelope. So here is the little plastic envelope you get to store them in. I use these envelopes for all kinds of things. Stickers, just several different things. Money, you can put them in your purse and hold your money. Let's see. The first one we have is a Pilot Acroball ballpoint pen. Pilot Acroball. Has to be this one. Yes. Ballpoint pen. Here is the tip. And it is a 0.5 black ink. Excuse me. It says this pen has black ink with pigment particles, making it fast drying and vibrant. The body has a sleek design with a rubberized grip. You will receive a black body or an ivory body. And I got a brown. So Pilot Acroball. I do like the way it writes. It's very smooth and doesn't smear. So that's the first one. And then we get a Zebra Blend ballpoint pen. Nope. Yeah, this is the Zebra Blend ballpoint pen. And I believe it is a 0.7. It has black ink. It's a little chunkier to hold. Says this pen controls writing vibration and allows you to concentrate on writing without stress. The seamless design eliminates extra decoration to allow you to focus on writing. This seamlessness is accentuated by the clip fitting in the slit when not. Will receive a purple body or a pink body. Okay, so this is a Zebra. I do like the way this one writes better than this Acroball. But I like the slimmer design of this one. So that is the Zebra Blend. Then we have the Dell Unique Design Gel Pen. 0.5 black ink. It has a green grip and clip. Smooth black gel ink and a sleek body. Oh, there's the little grip, as you can see. and a sleek body design with coordinating colorful grip and clip. This pen is a customer favorite. So this is a Dell unique design. And I love the way it writes. So there is that one. And then we have the Mirandi mechanical pencil. It's in a blue color. It's really nice. I like this one has an eraser this time. Sky blue body, and it's very thin, and it has the rubberized grip. Did you know Mirandi colors derive from the paintings of Giorgio Mirandi, a famous Italian printmaker and oil painter? The color palette is muted and pale, as if covered with a layer of gray tone. But mine does not seem to... No, there's no lead coming out of it. It had a broken piece in it. Maybe. Let's see. This one is a 0.5. Let's see if I have some lead. That is 0.5. I did at one point. Oh wait, is this it? Yes. Let's see if I can put some lead in this. Okay, well I'm going to have to work on that pencil because it is not working. And then we have Colnick Dot double-sided marker pen in light green. One end is hard and the other is soft. You can control the thickness of the soft head freely to make various sized round dots. So one is a dotted end, and the other one is a fine end. So that's cool. And then the Mirandi Color Eraser. This stick eraser is another perfect hybrid of minimalist and functional design. It coordinates perfectly and is easy to hold. And it opens like a piece of gum. So there is the eraser. I can't erase my pencil because the pencil's not working yet. So there are the pens and the washi for the June pens, pencil, and more from Avant Agenda. And hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that little bell so you get notified of when I upload new new videos, and I will be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.